This is iPhone 14 Pro Max. It has a 512 GB of data storage capacity and I am super excited. So after using Android from past 12 years, I have now switched to iPhone. Let's jump into the unboxing video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do unboxing and a quick look of the iPhone 14 Pro Max 512 GB. Well, first of all, during the switch, the first thing you will realize is the quality. And definitely when you hold an Apple product, you will feel its premium looks. As you can see, the box is pretty standard for iPhone, with familiar white design and the product name on the front. So in my case, I have moved from OnePlus 6T, which was my old phone, to iPhone 14 Pro Max. So for me, definitely it's a huge upgrade. Also, in iPhone 14 series, there are a bunch of upgrades in camera, which made me to switch to iPhone. Inside the box, you will get an iPhone 14 Pro Max, USB-C to Lightning cable, which supports fast charging and is compatible with USB-C power adapters and computer ports. And you will also get Apple sticker and a SIM ejector tool. The first thing catches my mind is a stunning 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, which is incredibly sharp and vibrant. It is powered by the new A16 Bionic chip with new 6-core CPU and 2 high-performance core and 4 high-efficiency core and a 16-core neural engine. It also has a 5-core GPU. This runs in iPhone 16 out of the box, which brings in several features. Because I am new to iPhone, it will take me a while to do the setup and also a bit of effort to move my few apps manually from Android to iOS. After doing the setup and installing a bunch of my apps from my previous phone, my initial thoughts are, it's pretty smooth and fast compared to my old phone, and I like the look and feel. I am yet to try out all the features of this phone. iPhone 14 Pro Max has all new wide camera with a larger 48 megapixel sensor. You can shoot 4K videos in cinematic mode, and also the camera has action mode, which will help you to shoot stable videos. So friends, that was all about unboxing of my new iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I am super excited to use this phone. So that's all in this video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next one.